Welcome to the next part of Time by Hans Zimmer, and today we have a super exciting part. And if you know the live, a very popular live version by Hans Zimmer here on YouTube, this is the part where he enters the stage with the E guitar and plays this melody. And the orchestra of course goes on, but we play here the left hand, the notes you already know. If you want to make it a little bit more advanced, a little intermediate, you can play the octave here and the left hand, because this brings more volume now, because the dynamic here is super important. How we start quiet and we get louder and back a little quieter again. So let me show you how this sounds. Correct. Do you notice how soft I start and then how I get louder? Yeah. Okay, and the second round we have this other chord, of course. Okay, so this is today's part, and it's really not that hard, because on the right hand we have this pattern here. So this is A, we start with A, with the ring finger, I recommend the ring finger, 2 times B, and then E with the thumb. So, and that's it nearly. So I think this is a good practice part, because these are weak fingers, the pinky and the ring finger. Yeah, so it's amazing when you just practice. So, and we repeat this. Yeah, that's it, all the time. Yeah, but very important, when you practice this now, start very slow, take your time. That's super fine to play it like this. And the very first A, this one, is the loudest one. Yeah, there's like an accent on this one, like da da dum bum ba da dum bum. Yeah, also when we practice it slow. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, I exaggerated it a little bit. Like. Okay, so, but that's it. And we play this over the first 3 chords, and over the last chord, the last bass note on the left hand, we play this 1 key lower. So that we start with the G. 2 times A. And the thumb plays D. Yeah, it's so funny. I hope it wasn't too bored for Hans Zimmer with the E-guitar just to play these notes all the time. Yeah, okay, just kidding. So, okay, let's bring both hands together. So we start with A and A. Yeah, and we play the A in the left hand always when we play the A in the right hand. So like, yeah, and I also mentioned that the A in the right hand is the loudest note. Yeah. So, and this is always when we also play the left hand, when we add the left hand. So, okay, but then we go on. The left hand goes from the A to the E. And then the left hand goes to the G and at the very end the left hand goes to the D and the right hand plays the G. Yeah, we go, this is when we go, the right hand plays 1 key lower. So all together. Yeah, the right hand really changes only on the last note. So, and when I play the second round, the left hand plays the C, but everything else stays the same. And then. Yeah, and this is the next part of time. So that's it, right? It's really not that hard. And of course you can add here some the chords, the A major chord, like this. For example, like this. Yeah, I will work out some more details that I will show you when I play the whole song together at the very end of this tutorial. But all we do is just add here the other notes, and the left hand also can move it a little more. And then we play the G. Yeah, and so on. Yeah, and then we go on in the next part. I'm looking forward to see you there, and yeah, so have a great rest of your day, or maybe see you in a few seconds in the next video. So take care and bye.